Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. As you know that we are discussing a very important thing in linguistics and especially in the Minimalist program. And I want to tell you that in this video we are going to discuss the basic theoretic notion, basic theoretic X bar notions. And I want to request you all of you know that if you are new in our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more such updates. As you know that in the previous video I have told you that what is the X bar notation in simple terms, and in this video we are going to deal the extension, and we are applying the same thing if we have the complex theoretic structure of X bar theory. Let's move toward our topic. Our topic is the X bar theoretic notion. It means that if we have the complex structure, how we can draw the complex structure? As you know that we have the two things, the basic relation, head complement relation, head specifier relation. These are the correlation, but the more local relation is the head complement relation. And see the diagram. If you meet this one, you can say that this is the fully X bar diagram. But these are the amendments in the X bar theoretic notation. Suppose, if you suppose this is the head, this is the H, it is the system of the X, and X1 is dominates H and X2. Similarly, if you say that X is the head, YP is the complement, X dominates YP, XYP and X. And in this domain we have the ZP, and ZP have its own layer, and this WP has its own layer, and this ZP has its own layer. Like this XP has its own layer, this XP has its own layer. Similarly, every layer has its own dominance property. Whatever the dominant property contains, it has some layer, internal layer. You can notice that X dominates H and X, X bar dominates X1, XP, and ZP dominates WP and ZP. And similarly, XP dominates ZP, X bar. Similarly, XP dominates WP, ZP, XP. And similarly, ZP has the local relation with UP and the H, the head. And similarly, YP dominates UP, XP, ZP, YP, WP. It means that we can say that within the X bar theory we have the complex structure, and every structure will fulfill the chain, dominance, local relation. These are the very important concepts. You can observe the diagram and you can say that every category has the outer layer. That outer layer dominates the lower item, and lower item also have its internal layer, and these are dominating the internal layer. So we can say that whatever we want to generate, whatever we want to make a sentence, we must know that we have the chain relation, we have the dominance, we have the local relation, and these are the core of X bar theoretic notation. And if you want to know linguistics, know the Minimalist program, if you want to draw the tree diagram, if you want to know the simplest way to analyze a sentence syntactically, you must keep in mind that these things, and you must keep the simple structure and the complex X bar theoretic structure. And if you want to know more about language and linguistics, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.